this is my sister,
Olivia.
and today we'll be doing experiments about liquid density. Today's experiment came from the James Dyson Foundation. Remember, whenever you're doing a science experiment, safety first. For today's experiment, we will need liquids of different densities. Olive oil, Dawn soap, coconut oil, and rubbing alcohol, water, and food coloring. We will also need test tubes. Now it's time to follow directions. Put the food coloring in the water and the alcohol. Be sure to use different food coloring. Olivia, which one do you think will be the heaviest and which one do you think will be the lightest? I think the alcohol will be the heaviest and the water will be the lightest. My hypothesis is that the rubbing alcohol will be the most dense and the olive oil will be the least dense. Now, using a funnel, try to pour the same amount of each liquid into the tube. First, the alcohol, rubbing alcohol. First, we have the Dawn soap, which was the densest, followed by the rubbing alcohol, which was the second densest. Then, the lightest was the oil.